Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this one several times before. I don't remember exactly the last time I did it, but regardless, that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And they definitely fit into today's analysis because I'm pretty much a day late because yesterday is when the actual breakout of the channel happened. So for the longest time, the price was just stuck down below this channel here from 0016 up to 0018. But then yesterday is actually where the price breakout happened. So yesterday at that point in time, it became a question of, hey, from a charting lingo, a technical pattern breakout has happened. Is this breakout going to get continuation? And that question was answered today. Yeah, the price movement definitely got continuation. So now it's kind of just a matter of how high is this continuation going to get? And the one thing that's going to be trying to stop any sort of continuation are levels of resistance. So on that note, that is why on this chart I want to focus on levels of resistance, because as it stands right now, great breakout yesterday, good continuation today. On top of it all, the price literally closed at the high of the day, so that's always good. So let's figure out where some levels of resistance are potentially going forward. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this red line here because sure, that still pertains to the chart, but it's not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion with lines all over the place. So like I said, we'll just use this. So let's go on a hunt. Let's see. There was a level. All right, so there is a first initial area at 0024. So it makes sense why the price ultimately did pause right there. Why do I say it makes sense? Well, you go back through the history, and you can see on a couple different occasions there. That's back in mid-September. So in other words, the price has not been up this high since mid-September. So from that perspective alone, the bulls are definitely, doing some good stuff here, getting the price back up, in levels that, like I said, haven't been seen for literally, numerous months. But 0024, like I said, rejected the price there. That's where the price is currently stalling. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's impossible to break that level. Just saying that it makes sense why the price currently did pause right there. The price can push through 0024. Then next really level of resistance, not until up around 0029. Now, am I saying that, if the price breaks 0024, it'll be up to 0029 in 7 seconds? I'm not saying that, but technically speaking, there really aren't any other areas of resistance. I guess you could nitpick a little bit here, but for the majority of things, at least the way my vision works, the main point of price congestion right up there around that area. And then you look here and just not much else to say there. So maybe you could call this a little miniature blue sky breakout of 0024. But the point being, over the past several days, the key dynamic here is all about where the lows have been. And as you can see, as time has gone by, these lows keep getting higher and higher. And as long as that continues to be the case, if you picture these as stair steps, then the chart will continue to take care of itself. So it's all about building higher lows. We'll see if the bulls can continue to do that or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.